Looking for amazing Christmas Procreate stamps? Look no further. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tour of my Christmas stamp set for Procreate. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. I am pleased to introduce you to the Christmas stamp set for Procreate. This set contains 166 Christmas Procreate stamps, specially curated to create amazing Christmassy digital pieces of art. Let me give you an overview of the stamps that you will get. Let's open the Procreate app. This set has 166 stamps. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of the stamps that you will get with this set. So if I open my brush library, I can show you quickly what you're gonna get. You're gonna get some lights. You're gonna get some gingerbread. You're gonna get a teddy bear, candy cane, some bells, Christmas hat, some socks, Christmas socks, some snowman, lots of snowmen, some Santas, a couple of elves, some deers, presents, lots of presents, Christmas trees, a lot of Christmas trees, some snowflakes, some leaves, some pine cones, some mistletoe, some branches, and yeah, as you can see, you have 166 stamps that you can choose from to create that Christmassy effect. And a couple of things regarding these stamps. So let me select one, like this one. So the maximum size is this one. You can decrease the size, the opacity. If you feel it's too big or too small, you can go to the adjustments of the brush. If you go to the shape, actually to the properties, in the brush behavior, you can increase the size of the shape to your liking. And yeah, there you go. This was a quick overview of the stamps that you will get with the Christmas stamp set for Procreate. To give your creativity a boost, I have created the Christmas series where I will share some cool tutorials with tips and tricks to get you started. With this product, you will get access to 166 amazing Christmas stamps for Procreate and a PDF file with the links to the tutorials, or you can just subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. In these tutorials, you will learn how to create a Christmas ornament using the Procreate Symmetry tool, how to create a Procreate stamp using the design that we've created in the previous tutorial, how to create a gold foil pattern and texture from scratch, how to use that gold foiled pattern to create a gold foiled Christmas ornament, how to create a shiny and glossy ornament effect, and we are going to use that same technique to apply to text. As a bonus, I am sharing a free ornament stamp from the Christmas Procreate Stamp set for you to give it a go. A link to access it is in the description below. Now question, I'm curious, what would you create first with this Christmas ornament stamp for Procreate? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations.